This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Jobea Trefny. Downsizing or first home buyers will find this super maintained home the right size. Split bedroom floor plan with master suite off family room. Open concept with gas log fireplace in family room, vaulted ceiling and great view to kitchen/dining room. Real hardwood flooring in family room and both bedrooms for allergy minimization. Plenty of room for family gatherings and amp. Full privacy fenced yard with beautiful landscaping. For more information, review the details below or contact Jobea Trefny at 317-691-1367.